Okay, here's how to submit an assignment. First, you open the assignment, and we're going to use it submitting something that we did in Google Docs. We click Resubmit Assignment. Actually, yours will just say Submit Assignment because you haven't handed it in. And then you are going to click on Resources. And then you're going to click on Apps and Google Drive Resources. It's not clicked on already. And it'll come up, and then you can search for the thing you're doing. I think we have something about week 4. And Distant Learning week 4. Oh, no, we're doing week 3, sorry, but let's say we're doing this one. We would click on it, and then we would click Import File. And it will go this way. And you'll get a message when it's done, and you'll see that it is over here on the list. And you can click on it to make sure it's the right thing, though it will take a little while to make it into a thing Schoology can read. That's all you need to do. One thing to remember is that you click in the checkbox and then click down Import. You don't click, if you click on the actual title, it will, I think, just to open the assignment for you or something.